Okay, so please sit in a comfortable positions. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes. Before we get into the practice, please sit silently for 1 minute. Mentally prepare yourself for the yoga practice. Slowly bring your attention to your breathing. Just watch your breathing. Feel the gentle movements of your breathing. Today we will do more exercise for the legs, for the hip joints, and for the back. Now we start our practice by saying Om Kara 3 times breathing. 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 Now slowly join your palms together, rub your palms and give a simple massage to your facial muscle, eye muscle with few blinks. Please open your eyes. Okay. Now slowly all of you keep your legs straight now. Keep your legs straight. So first we will do all the exercises for the leg, then we will go for the hip exercise. Okay. So now here, keep your hands back, join your legs together now. Good. Now as you're breathing, slowly stretch your toes like this. Stretch your toes and keep your knee tighten and tighten your thighs. Then breathe out, completely back. So repeat it 5 times now. Breathe in, completely stretch. Breathe out, back. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Now last one. Breathe in. Completely stretch your toes. Keep your knee tighten, tighten your thighs and stay with normal breathing and breathe out for 10 seconds. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then breathe out completely back and stay again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Then go for the rotation now. Ankle rotation, clockwise 10 times, anti-clockwise 10 times now. Only ankle rotation. Don't move your knees now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now stop practice. Now we go for the leg twisting. So open your leg only 2 feet like this. Open your leg. Now as breathing, twist your leg and try to touch your big toe to the floor like this. Then breathe out, little toe to the floor, completely out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now last one. Breathe in completely in and stay there now. 10 seconds. Keep your knee tighten and stay there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then breathe out. Completely out now. Then you start roll your legs now. Just relax your leg. Loosen your ankle joints and calf muscles now. Okay, now stop practice. Now join your legs together. Keep your back straight. Good. Now we go for the knee stretching now. For the knees. First make interlock finger. Breathing, make interlock finger. Then breathe out. Bend your right knee and completely press your right knee towards your chest now. Then again breathe in. Slowly stretch your legs now. So we do only right leg 5 times. Then we go for the left leg 5 times now. Breathing. Press your knees. Breathe out, stretch. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Breathe in. Press and stay there now. 10 seconds. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Slowly stretch your legs now. Same practice with other leg now. Left leg. Breathing. Press. Breathe out. Stretch. Breathing. Press. Breathe out. Stretch. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one. Breathe in. Completely press and stay there now. 10 seconds. Stay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out. Slowly stretch your legs now. Good. Now we go for the half butterfly exercise now. So here first bend your right leg at your knees and keep your right leg on your left leg like this. If you feel it difficult to keep your legs up, you can keep your legs down here. Maybe you can keep your legs down here. Okay. Then you start flapping your knees like just like this and keep your left leg straight. Keep your left leg straight, just flapping your right knee. Completely try to release all the tension from your hip. Make your hip more flexible. Okay, now stop flapping, go for the pressing now. So hold your knees, then breathing slowly up like this. Up. Then breathe out slowly, press your knees completely down as much as you can and keep your body straight. Don't lean your body towards the right hand. This is wrong, completely wrong. You have to keep your back straight, only press your knees as much as you can Again breathing up. Then breathe out, press. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one. Breathe in and breathe out. Completely press and stay there. 10 seconds stay. 1. Normal breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathing slowly up. Then breathe out. Slowly stretch your legs. Good. Now you do same practice with the left leg now. Bend your left leg at your knees. Keep your left leg on your right leg. If you feel it difficult to keep your legs up, you can keep your legs down here. Then you start flapping your knees now. Just flapping your knees. Try to release all the tension from your hip. Okay, now stop flapping. Go for the pressing now. Hold your knees. Breathing slowly up. Then breathe out. Slowly press your knees. Again breathing slowly up. Breathe out down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one. Breathing up and breathe out. Completely press and stay there now. Press your knees completely down and stay there with normal breathing and breathe out. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathing slowly up and breathe out. Slowly stretch your legs now. Good. Now we go for the butterfly exercise now. For the hip and for the back. So here bend your both legs at your knees like this. Then you start flapping your knees now. Just flapping your knees. Keep your back straight. Make your hip little flexible. Make your hip little bit open. Keep your back straight. Now stop flapping. Go for the pressing now. So here breathing slowly. Raise your knee up like this. Then breathe out completely down. Mentally you have to press your knees completely down. Again breathing up. Breathe out down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one. Breathing slowly up and breathe out completely down. Stretch your body up. Look up. Push your chest more forward. Then as you breathe out, slowly bend forward like this. Completely bend forward as much as you can. Again breathing slowly up. Stretch your body up. Push your chest more forward. Then breathe out. Slowly bend forward. Again breathing up. And breathe out. Bend forward. Again breathing up. Last one. Push your chest more forward. Then breathe out. Slowly bend forward as much as you can. If you have back pain, don't force yourself. And stay with normal breathing and breathe out. Stay there now. 10 seconds. 1. Normal breathing. As you exhale, try to drop your shoulder and drop your head. 2. Normal breathing. 3, 4. Always keep your concentrate on your back and hip joints. Just feel the open ups. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Breathing slowly up. Completely stretch your body up. Then breathe out. Slowly stretch your legs now. Good. Now we go for the alternate toes touching for the hip and for the back again. Okay, so now here little open your leg like this. Little open your leg. Keep your back straight. Good. Now keep your left hand back. Keep your left hand back. Raise your right hand up. Completely stretch your body up and pull your stomach completely in. Then as you breathe out, keep your knees straight. Slowly bend your body towards your left side now. Right hand, left leg. Completely drop your head down. Again breathe in. Slowly up. Keep your right hand back. Raise your left hand up. Then breathe out. Slowly bend your body towards your right side. Inhale up. So right side 3 times, left side 3 times now. Breathe out. Inhale up. Exhale right. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing. Breathe out. Last one. Breathing. And breathe out. Slowly bend your body towards your left. Keep your knee tightened. Drop your head down and drop your shoulder. Stay with normal breathing and breathe out. Stay there now. 1. You have to stay there now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Breathing slowly up. Keep your right hand back. Raise your left hand up. Then breathe out. Slowly bend your body towards your right. And stay there now. 10 seconds. Stay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly come up with breathing. And breathe out. Release your hands and relax now. Now we go for the Janu Sirsasana. It is very good practice for the knees. So now bend your right leg at your knees like this. Bend your right leg at your knee. And keep your left leg straight now. Keep your back straight. Now breathe in. Keep your hands at the shoulder high. Breathe out. Turn your palms up. Breathe in. Raise your hands up. Completely stretch your body up. Then as you breathe out, slowly bend forward like this. Completely bend forward. Try to hold your legs now. Hold your legs now. Yes. And completely drop your head down and you have to stay there now. Only 10 seconds. Normal breathing. Each exhalation, try to drop your head down and drop your shoulder. And sometimes you need to tighten your knees and pull your kneecaps up so that you can feel little stretch your hamstring muscles. Stay there now. 1. Normal breathing. 2, 3, 4. Keep your knees straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very slowly come up, breathing slowly up. Stretch your body up and breathe out. Slowly bring your hands down and slowly stretch your legs and relax now. Good. Now we do same practice with other leg now. So keep your right leg straight and bend your left leg now. Good. Keep your back straight. Breathing. Keep your hands at the shoulder high. Breathe out. Turn your palms up. Breathing. Raise your hands up. Completely stretch your body up. Then as you breathe out, slowly bend forward like this. Completely bend forward. Now drop your head down. Drop your shoulder. And stay. With normal breathing. And breathe out for 10 seconds. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly up, breathe in, raise your hands up. Completely stretch your body up and breathe out. Slowly bring your hands down and relax now. Slowly stretch your legs now. Good. Now we will go for the last sitting asana. This is called Vakrasana. It is very good practice for the back, stomach and also very good practice for the diabetes. So bend your right leg at your knees now. Bend your right leg at your knees. Keep your right hand back now. Keep your right hand back. Now breathing, slowly raise your left hand up like this. Left hand up, completely stretch your body up. Then as you breathe out, slowly twist your left hand all over your right leg now like this. Try to hold your leg here. And look towards the right side. Keep your back completely straight. Take your shoulder completely back, open your chest and stay in this position with normal breathing. And breathe out for 10 seconds straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come up with breathing. Raise your left hand up, stretch and breathe out. Slowly bring your hands down. Then slowly stretch your legs now. Good. Same practice with the left leg now. So bend your left leg at your knees. Keep your left hand back. Breathing. Raise your right hand up. Completely stretch your body up. Then breathe out. Slowly twist your right hand all over your left leg now. Look towards your left side and stay there now. Normal breathing. And breathe out for 10 seconds straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly breathing. Raise your right hand up. Completely stretch your body up. And breathe out. Slowly bring your hands down. And slowly stretch your legs. And relax now. Good. So we done all the sitting asanas now. Now we go for the lie down asanas for the back and for the stomach now. So now slowly all of you please lie down on your back now. Slowly lie down on your back. Just relax for few seconds. Normal breathing and breathe out. Completely relax your whole body, both physically and mentally. More relaxed, you feel more easy and comfortable. Normal breathing and breathe out. Okay. Now, first we go for the two stomach exercise. Then we go for the back exercise. So first one is called both legs up and down now. So here always join your legs together now. Keep your legs together. And if you have back pain, if you have any disc problem, you have to keep your hands below your buttocks like this. Keep your hands completely straight. Keep your hands below your buttocks like this. If you have any back issue, bend your both legs at your knees. Then as you breathe in, slowly raise your both legs up like this. Breathe in, both legs up. Keep your knees straight. You lift as much as you can. Then breathe down, bend your knees and slowly bring your legs down. If you don't have any back issue, you have to keep your legs straight, hands at the shoulder height, or you can keep your hands above your head. Which you feel comfortable, you can keep your hands. Then as you breathing, raise both legs up like this. Breathing up. Then breathe out. Slowly down. All the way down. Good. So we do up and down only 3 times now. Start. Breathing up. If you have back pain, bend your knees, keep your hands below your buttocks. Breathe out. Slowly down. Inhale up. Exhale. Slowly down. Breathing up. Exhale. Slowly down. Now last one, you have to hold down. Breathing slowly up. Both legs up and stay there now with normal breathing and breathe out. Completely squeeze your stomach and stay. Keep your knees straight. Stay with normal breathing and breathe out for 10 seconds. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. Breathe out. Slowly bring your legs down. All the way down. And relax now. Release your hands and relax now. Completely relaxed and deeply relaxed. Normal breathing and breathe out. Okay, now we go for the second stomach exercise. It is also very good practice for the knees. This is called cycling. So here, again if you have back pain, you have to bend your both legs at your knees and keep your hands below your buttocks like this. If you don't have, you have to keep your hands in the shoulder height, or you can keep your hands overhead, which you feel comfortable. Now breathing, bring your both knee close to chest like this. Join your knee together and feet together. Then as you breathe out, go for the paddling movements like this. First keep your right leg straight and bend your left leg. Then bend your right leg, keep your left leg straight. Now start. 1 from up to down 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now from down to up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Good. Now both legs together. Up to down 7 times and down to up 7 times. Now like this. Keep your legs together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Very good. Now from down to up now. Down, then up. 1, down, up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, relax now. Keep your legs down, stretch your legs and relax now. Again just relax your back, legs and shoulder. Normal breathing and breathe out. Observe your changes and feel your changes. Okay, now we go for the lumbar stretch exercise for the back, shoulder and neck. Combination exercise now. Now, all of you bend your both legs at your knees like this. Keep your hands at the shoulder height. Palms facing down. Now breathing, slowly bring your both knee to chest like this. So this is the sthiti. From here we will start now. Breathing deeply. As you breathe out, slowly roll your leg towards your right side like this. Roll your leg towards your right. Keep your right hand on your left knee. Press on it. Look at left side. Again breathing. Slowly come to the center. Very slowly come to the center. Keep your knee together. Then breathe out. Roll your leg towards your left. Keep your left hand on your right knee. Press on it. Look at right. So here we will do 3 times right side, 3 times left side now. Start breathing slowly up. Breathe out right. Inhale up. Exhale left. Breathing up. Keep your knee together. Breathe out right. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Breathe in. Slowly come to the center. Breathe out. Roll your leg towards the right. Keep your right hand on the left knee. Press on it. Look at left side. And stay there now. 10 seconds stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly up. Very slowly come to the center. Then breathe out. Roll your leg towards the left. Keep your left hand on your right knee. Press on it. Look towards your right side. Drop your shoulder and stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly up. Breathe in. Then hold your knees. Make interlock finger. Hold your knees. Completely press your knee towards your chest like this. And same time you need to press your tailbone towards the floor. And stay with normal breathing. And breathe out. Just relax your back, shoulder, and neck. Stay 10 seconds. 1. Normal breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release your hands. Bring your legs down and slowly unfold your leg. And relax now. Just relax for a few seconds. Completely relax and deeply relax. Relax your whole body, both physically and mentally. Okay, now we go for the last asanas for the back, shoulder and neck. This is called cross leg lumbar stretch. So now here, all of you bend your both legs at your knees like this. Bend your both legs at your knees. Join your feet together and knee together. Keep your hands at the shoulder height. Palms facing down. Now breathe in. Raise your right leg up. Only raise your right leg up. As you breathe out, cross your right leg above your left leg. Good. Now breathe in deeply. As you breathe out, slowly roll your leg towards the left side like this. Slowly roll your leg towards the left as if you bring your right knee completely down and look towards the right side. Inhale slowly up. Come to the center. Don't change your leg, same leg. As you breathe out, slowly roll your leg towards the right. Look at left side now. Mentally try to press your left knee completely down. Look towards the left side now. Inhale up. Come to the center. So here we do 3 times right side, 3 times left side now. Breathe out. Roll your leg towards the left. Look at right. Inhale up. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Breathing. Come to the center. Then as you breathe out, roll your leg towards the left side. Keep your left hand on your right knee and press your knees like this. Just press your knees. Look towards the right and stay there now. 10 seconds stay. Normal breathing and breathe out. Stay there. Completely drop your shoulder. Squeeze your shoulder blades and drop your shoulder. Try to open your chest, open your shoulder. Stay there now. 10 seconds. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly up. Breathe in. Come to the center. Then as you breathe out, slowly roll your leg towards the right side now. Roll your leg towards the right. Look at left and stay there now. Same leg only. Stay there now. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathing slowly up and breathe out. Release your right leg now. Good. Now do same practice with left leg now. Breathe in. Raise your left leg up. Breathe out. Cross your left leg above your right leg now. Now breathe in deeply. As you breathe out, slowly roll your leg towards the right side like this. Slowly roll your leg towards the right. Look at left. Again breathe in. Come to the center. Don't change your leg. Same leg. As you breathe out, roll your leg towards the left side. Look at right. And mentally try to press your right knee completely down. Inhale up. Exhale. Roll your leg towards the right. Inhale up. Exhale left. Inhale up. Exhale right. Breathing. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. breathe in and breathe out. Now last one, breathe in, come to the center. Then breathe out, roll your leg towards the right side. Keep your right hand on your left knee, press on it. Look at left side and stay there. 10 seconds stay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Completely drop your shoulder. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly up. Breathe in. Come to the center. Then breathe out. Roll your leg towards the left side. Look at right and stay there now. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly up. Breathe in. Then breathe out. Slowly release your left leg. Unfold your legs and relax them. Okay. Now go for Savasana. Relaxation. Now leg little bit apart. Hand few inches away from your body. Palms facing up. Close your eyes. Slowly bring your attention to your breathing. As you breathe in, your stomach raising up. As you breathe out, sink in down. And each time as you breathe in, you are taking all the positive energy. As you breathe out, you remove all the toxin and all the impurity. Continue to watch your breathing. Now go on, relax, part by part, slowly. Bring your attention to your toes. Little move your toes, or relax your toes. Loosen your ankle joints. Relax your calf muscles, kneecaps, thighs, buttocks, hip joints, and pelvic region. Feel your lower parts of the body. Relax. Relax. And relax. Allow your relaxations to your middle parts of the body. Relax your stomach, chest, lower back, upper back, shoulder joints, shoulder blades, bicep, tricep, elbow joints, forearms, wrist joints, palms, fingers, and joints of the fingers, feet, your lower parts and middle parts of the body relax, relax, and relax. Now spread relaxation to your upper parts of the body. Relax neck muscle, chin and cheek, eye muscle, whole facial muscle, forehead, both sides of the head, crown of the head, and whole head region. Feel your whole body from toes to head. Relax, relax, and relax. Now let me chant one mantra for you. You just listen it and flow with it. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityormokshi Amamrutat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Completely relax your whole body. Now very slowly and gently come out your body. Move your fingers, move your toes, join your legs together. Raise your hands up and give deep stretch to your whole body. Bend your left leg at your knees. Roll your body towards your right side. With support your both palms, slowly come to the sitting position. Very slowly come to the sitting position. Continue to keep your eyes closed. Just sit silently for a few seconds. Feel. By doing Savasana, you are both physically and mentally relaxed, relax, and relax. Keeping the same state of relaxations throughout the day. Slowly fold your hands in front of your chest. Say Om Shanti, Shanti. Together breathing. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bend forward, completely surrender to the Mother Earth. Come up, breathing. Rub your palms and give the simple massage to your facial muscle, eye muscle with few blinks. Please open your eyes. Thank you.
Thank you.